Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
I got my phone. I don't know what my game say.
My game. Don't describe it that way. Yeah, Mr. Stop that. Who named the impression you create for that is Mr. Omami.
Oh, open.
No, stop that. Mr. Omami.
Say that all can answer what my game was not here. Say I should be
working. A toss moon of Masere.
It will you say no. And if I say so, make it.
No, let me finish. Near the kind. Open the call. Oh, stop that. Some jokes are expensive. Mr. Program. Near the kind. Was say Senana Kufuad ye no me say me mpeniso a eye den e na mo de mo kwatranse mama transe milse transe mu yi oyi matia bi du na fe mu yi na die enti mo so mo dwene ye de ya nyina di o ono ade kokko no ono ade akro ba mo de mu yi na di to the extent say the same matia bi du no mo ma no be ye or the say vice or be running mate anameboa or be ye substantive attorney general after he had been a deputy attorney general eye den enti asem na opeso yi di cheme no momo de na guma no ma say number 1 ne atosumienu o say he sad and anyimro onyi ne komo obisu de atosumiensa o say sabani ya wini obesum obosome onya be ma obesum fie du because abani ya wini awini stop that please. Just keep quiet and let me talk. Minya
you talk about Echina special voting. Wanka general election.
Wa kasano. Wa china mo mo kwa abano. Wa mo kwa abade ntro besu ni say. To the extent say oni patri mo ademfo a onsuro se ba wawo. E sojafo a mo akọ peacekeeping sika na mo wiadi the treasury bill. And na kufu ado buy less than 2 ma utua ma wo mo. E sojafo na 5 years. Enya de se udru eya ni amo abafie. Or the 5 years aka ho. Na kufu ado buy ye no okọ bema camp a enne kwahwe ma kwan wo ho. Na kufu ado buy almost all the barracks, military barracks, osisi adan including the police. Emre di Kenya posifo enya helicopter nyamo mo cars over 500 na dan ko akufu ado emre di Kenya eye or say all the state institutions wo market bibia akakama ani to mbehwe so ato aba no na wo nim na de den say me matrabaras da na me so papa yi sojani yenim school fees ho den wo say wo akatua no mfa mo brane mfa mo manko school na fees wo mo nwene wo mo yere no mo nananom enti samote ade amubehu na mo dia ba na chesa and this boy John Dramani ma ba fie 9 otuamu akatuam just $1 peacekeeping na kufu ad buy $4 na de yeso mo huruma ni nkosoro na wo ya wo nkọ be ma other places media me nante media dia no atu ntan ya wo say asama meme e kan ya ono atia say ai e na die enti na meme say obi ba ye nche no mo andisi for ma pani wo ho hwa krate kutami mia na me compile if nakedness promises you clothes at his name no more politics of lies, deceptions and broken promises. Now this is for manifesto no. Mami Kotua, not here for we are giving intellectual discussion. We are not just making noise. We say you will set up a new and truly non-partisan professionally to rope in investigation into the murder of Yana. And this is for Anka. 8 years I'm buy to the extent said Justice George Wood. Mock farmer for free this year Bono High Court, Supreme Court, maybe what? Moya nwadwuma enti anu na se odini be kan ya enka sem we sen ka utran koboso oh quiet 8 years MPP na na dan ko akufu adba ye no ene nyame nam ne so amasumdue aba yendi mo mfere ade santi ha sei wasaka se wasei ensure the prosecution of the persons found to be responsible for the murder in military custody of Alhaji Isa Mobila minia omanka motetia soldier for innocent military men bigum ekwo wiase na enya no kre mo na munim na do you think say you trust him to the extent all saka say I say wo aba mu a mo de mo baba mu nko anua 27 years eti mo portray say fe na mo baba mu the same John Dramani mama nani ne hwene ti onu na no ote so a odi nyina he box side nepotism odi man ni nua on the 6th of January dia beche amiato aba ofan kuntrase wan fan kwa parliament Nana Kufuado rather needs commendation, not condemnation. Or say Mrashe Bedafo baby a chichina bohani jano, yan fan common kuhim. Naminia Sabi one that you never kind of a condemn side with you. Especially some Matiami Dunka say there is a say corruptible a womb. What's your perspective? Where the Momo dear or say more Bocrono, Naminia, a dear or can a Japadi, one can wasem. And what can Ebas, one can wasem. Namon Feriadia, and then Ebas in the Mukusi. ade anu ya chi bi kura de
na ono susu nhwe mu a wo ye ode ebase su kota ase kitu abi su no eno so eden is no ye ne sa
eno kura che se wonya be ma the point ni say when they di ka bae and na sa kwatena ase sai wo free so okọ election to dia no sie eno dia ngayen me ba be kan sem bi a kire o dia no atu ntan ya menua yen san hwa we are talking about corruption NDC ba fufuro ekwa be no fa so be kum nipa yen fa di nyantum yen hwe 2008 manifesto was to create a society in which corruption is punished and probity, integrity and dedicated service are applauded and appreciated. And this manifesto 2008 page 17. Meaning okay no we no ansoa o osabekawi and NDC government will not make any excuses for corrupt ministers, officials and office holders. Generally, we shall promptly investigate allegations of corruption and allow the law to take its own course. And this manifesto 2008 page 24. Ekowi asiano tie Montaka Kobo Krono Professor Kwame Sifaka Mubusa, you know. Tiasmo Kai was saying, are we saying that this is the first time that ministers of state have traveled abroad with their girlfriends? Is this the first time that ministers of state have infringed the law, have spent money on their girlfriends? If somebody makes an allegation against another person and not be able to give credible evidence, I have no option but to dismiss the case. Minia, these are the people. Eko wi ase no corruption ahodo amuka ye nyina me ka cham sesa me ya dis ni akeme kwa no atum ye kasa mu ye corrupt ye ba ye mutum ye ba kane no Victor Salome dem Kwame dem Pepra dem Sipa Yanke dem Ibrahim Adams dem Tatuti Kata dem Musa mo ba bi o mo se corrupt we crowd dey say ahoto mo sentimu nka wo mo ka se corrupt ama mi ne ko wi ase no ye ba bi ase mo ye corrupt mo chi ye crop 24 bi enu okoda mu nyame ema ehun se ye nya kromfo de atoso bi mo ye ba bi o no me nua me no ka sei eye NC enku ano enipa miensa ne dem ye obafo boni dem ye wo Matthew Tetevi odem Alhaji Osman odem oba eye venture capital Kofi Dukun odem obetuesika
no so
obetuesika 18.5 million eni ntinminia NDC mie na no nkantre yense ye ka corruption obetumi akabi fine no to nchenhwe amichiro so ye bema me have chronicled everything ye chesa ye corrupt medic aka ese yensu ne ye ban. Nothing has ever shown. Momo dia mo ba mu wia, mame ma even youth employment. Ye ne de bae, eno mbe change ko jida. Mo gia no ma jini mada. Onim se di podi kan head youth employment. Eye Leo Kaba, ofri China paga. Ne busuani eni Abuga Pele free NDC, Leo Kaba free MPP. Enam se ya dwene hwa kan ne makro no nti no, Leo Kaba mo ba mo tuma fanantum. Mo dia mo ba ye kra mo hyase. Nano me no kasei ekodru baabie no Abuga Pele say only penny na mo de kro no hye no so na mo nyina mo wi abi. Then you are talking about so bi ono ye kro only the entire your drama ni ma person baabie ono because so penny say the Abuga Pele ni fairness say tifi adui na say wo ho na say da say mo hye wa ti unika mafo so mfa lawyer na onkasa eno de ya anu abusa no eno nyame na babusa me so na okay tell me so me dey tu eno de ya anu abusa no stop that when you are some don't expensive ahaya ba ye radio Obani Bonpo, making reference. Mr. Maninya and Kasa. Wait, Jai opinion, but you never was yes, because now can you say Naminia senior 2008 and someone go way kaye. Now I'm a Benuado, Equatra Parliament, Eco Su, yes, and Contompon with D. Senior Fifi could take Equatra Parliament, Esu, yes, and Contompon with D. Nasa who casa corruption a yakasian we are and Diana Chessa we are corruption. They might tell me do so case of documents cry you macra in sa and kabi. Minia, I said, who sent us somebody by went to me and Yano. Yes, said ye decay. And I'm saying agency in Tino. Yadu Sikama. Usi can assess it no incompetence for the fear. But he was talking about documents are obey to prosecution and or you an sentiment. Documents refine. What kind? Documents refine. Nyabotre. Documents refine. Oh, minia on stop push ade. Oh, minia the oye ni hwe. Ah, mama ntina for respect. Tie, make sure. Oba ye no, office ye kra ye nkwada ikura no. Oba access of funds, no set up structure. Wa omo a mbe investigation di ama. Me aduma ku be fi na me nkoye. Me single-handedly, me research actually books about 20 now I kwatra one penny for the appointees account now better ka one incompetence for the friend this ready by we are talking about the office And then office of the president through Asante Bediatu, a very respected what about who had the wedding, the structure, the content of it. Matiami do to me attack.
Even accused Attorney General across the office nation as now, so
me yeah. Me no kai asema ye kai no enya nchen yo. This smart Amidu we are talking about. Was say certain president the assembly are investigating. Na me free senka corruption bebem. San waka yo. Ejapa di lonka so be wi ataku. But when the one so admit say Airbus na John Dramani Mama di animu no eye kro no. Adan na say this for feria dia. Eno de omu twabutuo. Na yemu bi no yankia no ntum da Jerusalem nti. And this for bani wasenuam say ade when wasebo ye krofo madua. When you so free say na kufu ade say sample
say no ma wi ono so na dey see no kwan so ono so wan hwem na ode kota ade na say kata na say pe.
Why
Matiamidu.
What say?
Say no free say eye kono ma wi a e dey na see no ho kwan so hwem mu.
No say wadwin mu abie ti say de wo kan ya no. Wo hia na no abusa no. E kire nipa wo ye. Ade ba bi ofri ba. Na me wie de person me kan say me nua. Onko ka say me ntia. Asema wo kan say corruption kese. Corruption no say one cap minion or kicking on Tiasia, backing Kiachino. But the point is, you are for now working kind. Mr. Baba could take Minia Tis Maba, you Benaso. Shall Miniati. What a cotton deal 25 million a movie Yakoma or Bar. Ever be condemned. 40 million Ghana. As more okay, Quabrani, you Niliga, Quabrani, you run your free Gabi, Yabia, or Chata Kudiamana. Obi
Anka say to say ya twes kama.
Okoka no hifa. Media maintain. Maintain.
Enkoku ba ku on this platform.
Media maintain.
$150,000 in
media maintain. Media maintain.
Enkoku ba ku on this platform.
Media maintain.
Enkoku Kokoko e confirm say.
Media maintain.
So a legal advisor
media maintain.
Yeah.
Na media
Bibi na ofro abetime ya no.
Wo see that?
Bibi na oyi wa dance ya. You say for dance ya bra. Usu tie wo dance.
Na onya Ali na ne kasa. Ali do ni a chop pa de minya. Oba fe tra kopa ga dia chop this here. Wait. Media that is how is behaving.
Oh, David.
Mate,
Mr. Dick communication.
Stop that. Stop that.
Oh, that right. It I say
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.